Hey guys, so I thought that I would give you a little bit of extra help. I know that that it is long division and it is and can be a little daunting. So I just wanted to go over one more problem with you. That is number 14. This is only if you need the help. I know I had told you on this one that it is missing a term, right? So you want to get that placeholder in. I promise it will make your life a little bit easier. But if you look at our exponents, we have an x to the fourth, an x squared, an x, and then no x. So it looks like we are missing an x cubed. So you want to put in a placeholder for that. Okay, so let's go write the division problem. So we have 3x plus 2 on the outside. On the inside, our dividend, I think is what that's called, 9x to the fourth plus 0x cubed. It's funny, you start doing all this upper level math and you forget what all the little older stuff is called. Minus x squared plus 4x plus 5, and I'm just going to make my divided by sign a little bit longer. All right, and here we go, right? 3x times what will give us a 9x to the fourth? So we're looking at 3 and then x cubed, and we're just going to distribute. So I'm going to get a 9x to the fourth. Remember, you always want that to be the same because you want it to go away, right? So that's kind of a good way to check your answer. 3 times 2 would be a 6. So this is positive 6x cubed. And then let's go change the signs. Okay, so we're going to subtract and minus. All right, 0 minus 6. So I'm looking at negative 6x cubed. I'm going to bring the minus x squared down. We're going to do it again. So I get a negative 2x squared. Because I need a negative 2 for the 6. I have 1x and I need 3, so I'm going to need x squared. All right, let's go distribute. So I get a negative 6x cubed. And then I'm going to get a minus 4x squared. And then I'm going to change my signs again. So positive, positive. So negative 1x squared plus 4x squared is going to be 3x squared. And then let's bring the 4x down. 3x times what is 3x squared? So we're looking for an x. So I'm going to get 3x squared plus 2x. I need to subtract, so again I'm changing my signs. 4x minus 2x is 2x. I'm going to bring this plus 5 down. And then, whoa, wait a minute, Hunsaker, you didn't tell me what to do about this, right? What do you do about this? 3x times what is going to give me a 2x? Huh? I don't, oh no, right? Oh no. Okay. What do we do? Do you have any ideas? 3 times what is 2? Well, wait a minute. Maybe I have an idea. So I know I'm not going to need an x. I know I just need a number. But 3 times what is 2? If I wanted to solve this, right, wouldn't I divide by 3? And then I know what my is, or my question mark. So I'm going to multiply, I think, by 2/3. And let's go check this. This is like my chicken scratch over on the side, right? So here's me, and I'm like, right? What's going on? Okay, so is 3x times 2/3 equal to 2x? Well, I'm going to get a 6x divided by 3. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So yes, so I need to multiply by 2/3. So this ending number is a 2/3. Holy bananas, that's weird. By the way, this is why I'm doing this problem with you. All right, so let's see what we get, okay? 2/3 times 3, I just did that, and I'm going to get a 2x. Yay! All right, 2/3 times 2. So, right, because we're distributing, right? 2/3 times 2. Well, I need to go back over here. I need my little person, and I got to go rebubble this over here. I got to think about this for a minute. 2/3 times 2, or 2/1. Well, that's a 4/3. Let's keep it as a fraction. So I'm going to do 4/3. Ew, fractions. Who likes that? Let's change our signs. And then I need to do 5 minus 4/3. Dagnabbit if I don't need another bubble. 5 minus 4/3. Wait a minute. Hunsaker showed me a really cool trick on my calculator, right? Let's get that puppy out. So if I did 5 minus 4/3, by the way, in my calculator, I like to put my fractions in parentheses. That's just my personal opinion. And then I get, what's that? What's that? Oh yeah, I can do that button she showed me, right? Math, frac, 11/3. Done. 11/3 is my remainder. So I'm going to put plus 11/3 over, what was that? 3x plus 2. Okay. Remember, if you don't like this button, this frac button, then you can do alpha y equals, and you can type it in that way. So I can do 5 or 5 over 1, and I can subtract 4/3, so it's alpha y equals again. Put my 4/3, and let's keep our fingers crossed. We get 11/3. Yes, we did. We did it right. Okay, and so this would be your nasty final answer, but it's really not that bad. Okay. Fun times, fun times.